I'm going to reveal my secret gold trading strategy. That will be the only strategy you need to day trade gold efficiently. Watch this video until the end because you will get important theory, 5 steps trading plan, important tips and real market examples. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Step number 1. Execute structure analysis on a 4-hour time frame. What do you mean by structure analysis? Analyzing a 4-hour time frame, you should look for strong supports and resistances. Take a look at gold chart. Here in the 4-hour time frame, I have underlined important resistances and important supports. When you draw supports and resistances, remember that most of the time the key levels represent these zones. So please try to draw the key levels taking into consideration the wicks and the candle closes. Step number 2. Wait for a breakout of one of the structures that you spotted on a 4-hour. If the market closes below a key horizontal support, after the breakout, that structure turns into a very strong resistance. If the market violates a key horizontal resistance and closes above that, after the breakout, the broken structure turns into a very strong support. We can spot multiple structure breakouts here on gold. For example, that horizontal resistance was broken, and after the breakout it turned into a very strong support. Or that horizontal support was broken and after its violation it turned into resistance. Learn how to trade gold in my premium group. Inside you will get the access to my daily live streams where I analyze and trade gold live. For more info, check the link in the description below. To confirm a support breakout on a 4-hour time frame, remember that you should strictly wait for a 4-hour candle close below that. While for a breakout confirmation of a resistance on a 4-hour time frame, you should strictly wait for a 4-hour candle close above that. Number 3. Wait for a test of a broken structure. After you spotted a confirmed structure breakout, wait for its retest. Here in gold, after a breakout of that support, the price dropped, and currently you can spot that the market is retesting the broken structure. Step number 4. Let the market start ranging on a broken structure on an hourly time frame. Analyzing the reaction of the price to a broken horizontal resistance on an hourly time frame, you should look for a consolidation. The market should start ranging on a broken structure. Take a look at the example. Here in gold on a 4-hour time frame, the market violated a solid horizontal resistance and closed above that. Then after that, we got the retest of a broken structure. Retesting the broken structure, the market formed a horizontal range on an hourly time frame. You can see that when the broken structure was tested, the market started to consolidate. Analyzing the reaction of the price to a broken 4-hour horizontal support, you should look for a horizontal range on an hourly time frame. The market should start consolidating on the broken structure. Here in gold, after the breakout of that support, the market is retesting that at the moment. In analyzing the reaction of the price to that, we can spot a very cute horizontal range on an hourly time frame. Step number 5. Wait for a confirmation. Your confirmation to buy the broken resistance will be, of course, a bullish breakout of the resistance of the range. That will be the important sign of strength of the buyers. And once you spot the violation of the resistance of the range, the hourly candle close above, you can set your buy limit order on a retest of a broken resistance of the range, expecting a bullish movement at least to a local structure high. So your safe entry will be on a retest of a broken resistance of the range, stop loss will lie below the lows of the range, and your target the local structure high. After a retest of a broken horizontal resistance, gold formed a horizontal range on an hourly time frame. Your bullish confirmation here should be the violation of the resistance of the range, the hourly candle close above. Then you simply set your buy limit order on a retest, you set your stop loss below the lows of the range, and your target is the local structure high. After you spotted a horizontal range on a retest of a broken horizontal support, your confirmation to short will be a bearish breakout of the support of the range. the hourly candle close below. After the violation, a bearish continuation will be expected to a local structure low. Shorting the breakout of the support of the range, you set your stop loss above the highs of the range, entry on a retest with the sell limit, and target the local structure low. To short that horizontal range that is formed on a key 4-hour structure, your bearish confirmation will be a bearish breakout of the support of the range, the hourly candle close below. Once the hourly candle closes below that, you will set your sell limit order on a retest of a broken support of the range. You will set your stop loss above the highs of the range, and your target will be your current structure low. Now let me share with you some important trading tips. First of all, when you are planning your targets, there are two strategies to follow. The first strategy is to base your take profit based on the wick, and the second option is to stick to the candle close. And the thing is, traders, that if you plan your take profits based on the candle closes, that will dramatically increase your win rate. Tip number 2. Remember that occasionally planning your trades, your take profit will be very close to the entry, and you will get the so-called negative risk-to-reward ratio. Remember that for that trading strategy, you should trade with the reward to risk ratio being at least 1.2. Tip number 3. Remember that if the price violates the structure and then retesting that you see no reaction and the market simply neglects the broken structure, that is the false breakout, and such a structure should be removed from your chart. Being applied properly, that strategy will generate up to 68% win rate. Traders, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I always reply. Also, traders, do not forget to check my premium group, the link in the description below. Traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you soon.